Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to share a new little kit I just got from Simply Earth, but first I want to talk about Fume. You guys know I love Fume. It's my favorite essential oil accessory. It is a hollow wooden little inhaler that you can use to get all the benefits of your favorite essential oils. So what you do is just put a core in the end of it, breathe in through your mouth, out through your nose, and enjoy all of the benefits. There are tons of different cores to choose from. They have a brand new website, which I'll put a little box here so you can see. You can take a quiz and it tells you what cores, what plants, and articles, and all of the different things that will help support you the best in what you are in current need of. And I say current because that always changes, right? So this is a new core that they just came out with to help in stopping smoking, which is super important to me. A lot of my family members, I've just seen, my grandma specifically, I've seen the life just like literally sucked out of them until they eventually just pass away. Smoking kills. It is so bad. So if I can share anything that's going to be a natural alternative to that, I am all for it. So I will link Fume in the description. My code torey.noora will save you 10%. I love working with them. I've worked with them for years and I am very proud to be one of their ambassadors. So if you want to shop, make sure you use my code to save money, and let me know if you have any questions or on any of their cores specifically, or how it works, the safety, anything like that. Just let me know in the comments. And thank you to them for sponsoring that portion of the video. I just got the Popular Blends kit by Simply Earth. If you aren't familiar with Simply Earth, it's an essential oil company. They have a monthly subscription box, which I love, and I open every month on camera and show you guys what I get. But each month they send you 4 oils and a bunch of recipes and things that you need to make the recipes. And they're seasonal and they are just such a great company. But anyways, this is their Popular Blends little kit. So it comes in a cute wooden box, which I was like, this is so cool. You can put on your nightstand or anywhere, but I just thought I might just put it on my desk right here. But I love the case that it's in. And then it also came with a little card with Popular Blends diffuser recipes. So this is using all of the oils that come in this little box. Gives you just some different diffuser recipes, which I love. And since they are blends, you can just use them on their own too. But okay, so we open, and then it has another Simply Earth logo there, and then 6 oils. So I'm just going to share each one with you and kind of smell them and tell you about them. So the first one is Defender. I have not tried this one yet before. I'm assuming this is an immune support oil. It has, let's see, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and clove. Sounds very similar to Thieves if you're a Young Living user. Ooh, it smells really good. I'm getting a lot of, all of them actually, all of the oils. I think it's a pretty good balance. A lot of clove and a lot of cinnamon, but overall it's a really good balanced blend. The rosemary, the lemon, eucalyptus, this smells really good. And all of those oils together help and support your immune system. The next one is Peace and Quiet, which we have and love. This is a blend of, let's see if I can read it, sweet orange, frankincense, cedarwood, and lime. So this is a really good and sweet calming blend. It's great for diffusing at night, or just when you need to calm your children down. You can make a little roller with this in it and just roll it on their little wrists. This smells really good. It's very woodsy and kind of earthy, but also sweet because it has those citrus oils. So citrus is uplifting, woodsy, cedar woods are grounding, so it's a perfect blend. Peace and Quiet. Next is Happy Joy. This was a new one to me. I haven't tried or smelled it before this box. So that's cute. The label's really cute. And it has geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang. It's a really good blend. Geranium. So we're getting floral, feminine, sweet, and it does smell amazing. Oh, so it's similar, not identical, to Joy from Young Living. It's more sweet and fun and like uplifting than more floral. Because Joy, if you're familiar with my videos and like my top 10 faves and stuff, Joy is like in my top 3. Valor, Joy, from Young Living Oils. So that's similar and I really love that. The next one is Sleepy. This is another like winding down oil. Super important again if you have kids. This is lavender, grapefruit, hoe wood, and bergamot. Bergamot's very calming. Again though, it's uplifting and like promotes happy too. But when it's with lavender and hoe wood, this is very lavendery. So obviously being the first in the ingredient list, it's what I pick up first, but it's also that sweet. It's really good. This blend is really, really good. Again, you can make a roller with this too and roll it on their little feet and wrists if you want to at night. But any sleepy blend with lavender is just very, very super calming. I just did a whole video on lavender actually, and it's all of the benefits of the oil. And some of the things I didn't even know. I was really to last is Focus. This is a blend of cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. Here is that one. That smells good. I can always use a Focus blend or an Attention blend, especially when I'm working and filming. This is very sweet, grounding, but eucalyptus is really strong in this, so I can see how that would be awakening. I love eucalyptus. This one's good. I like that. I might diffuse that in just a second. Last one is Energy, another one that I could definitely use. Eucalyptus again, lemon, and peppermint. That's very simple and so effective. I love that. I'm going to put this one in my fume too. I love eucalyptus and peppermint in my fume. Lemon just adds to it. Lemon has so many benefits too. This is very good. This is really good. This is fresh. I like this better than the Energy one or the Focus one. Let's see. Yeah, this one's more grounding, like with the frankincense. I like this one. It's super energizing. That's nice. Okay, I will put the, well, there we go. I'll put the link to shop Simply Earth in the description. I do have a code. It's when you subscribe to their monthly box. So it is normally $39 for that monthly recipe box, which gives you 4 essential oils. So that alone would be so worth it and such a good deal. But they also give you the recipe cards and things you need to make the recipes. You also, I feel like I'm gonna keep saying like, but wait, there's more. But when you subscribe, you get access to their Essential Oil Hero course, which is just like a course to kind of help jumpstart your knowledge on safety and all of that. And then using my code, you get a big bonus box, which has a lot of accessories and bottles, and you get a $40 gift card to use towards your next box or any other products that you want to use, like this box right here. But anyways, I'll put that in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have this kit. I like it. I love the box, and I'm really excited about that Energy one. And then to mix them too, so just an example, there's one called Zen, which is sleepy and energy. Well, that would be like Zen. Stress-free, sleepy, and happy joy. Family time, peace and quiet, and happy joy. That sounds like a good blend. Garden Oasis, focus and peace and quiet. Lullaby, peace and quiet and sleepy. So many good blends. So let me know if you have any questions on Simply Earth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, the link to shop Fume will also be in the description, and you can use my code torey.noora to save 10%. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.